Good morning children. Today we are going to do exercise of unit 7, a watering rhymes. Do you remember the poem Watering Rhymes? It was about the plants, what time we should water the plants, how should we take care of the plants, how to water the plants. All that we had learned in this poem. Now we are going to learn new words. So shall we start? You have to repeat after me. EARLY, early means very early. MORNING, morning. MORNG, morning. EVENING, evening. EVENING, evening. What do you say? मॉर्निंग मीन्स जल्दी सुबह हो गई है, इवनिंग शाम का समय है. काइंड, KIND, काइंड, KIND, काइंड. फ्लावर्स, FLOWERS, फ्लावर्स, FLOWERS, फ्लावर्स. NOONDAY, noon, day. ROOT, 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 root. MOUTH, 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 mouth. BOOTS, 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 boots. SOAK, 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 soak. EARTH, 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 earth. HEAT, 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 heat. THIRSTY, 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 thirsty. DIE, 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 die. Once again we will read all the words children. New words: early, morning, evening, kind, flowers, noonday, root, mouth, boots, soak, earth, heat, tasty, die. All these new words we have learned in the rhymes also, in the poem also, watering rhymes. Okay, now word meanings. Watering, watering, giving water to plants. What it means? Giving water to plants. Roots, parts of plant that remain under earth. Root means what? It is not seen. Why it is not seen? Because it is under the earth. ज़मीन के अंदर है, इसके लिए हमें रूट्स नहीं दिखाई देते हैं. बूट्स, बूट्स इज व्हाट? शूज. सोक, मेक वेट, गिल्ला करना, भीगा हुआ. फीट, that is the roots. In this poem we are talking about the roots. The feet, we are talking about the roots. Once again we will say word meanings. Watering, giving water to the plants. Roots, parts of plant that remain under earth. Boots, shoes. Soak, make wet. Feet, roots. Now we'll go to the next part. Here what you have to do? Here you have to prepare a speech giving some reason why it is important to protect flowers and plants. यहाँ पे हमें स्पीच एक तैयार करनी है छोटी सी. हमें फ्लावर्स और प्लांट्स का महत्व बताना है, क्यों हमें उनका महत्व क्या है, इम्पोर्टेंट क्या है, और उनको कैसा बचाया जाए, उनको कैसा प्रोटेक्ट किया जाए. इंक्लूड वेज दैट यू कुड हेल्प प्रोटेक्ट एंडेंजर्ड प्लांट्स इन योर स्कूल. और अगर आपके स्कूल में भी प्लांट्स है, पौधे हैं, तो उन्हें आप किस तरह से बचाओगे, वो भी आपको मेंशन करना है. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट. रिस्पेक्टेड टीचर्स एंड माय डियर फ्रेंड्स. ये कि आपको स्कूल में जो प्लांट्स आप किस तरह से उनको प्रोटेक्ट करोगे, किस तरह से बचाओगे, उसके बारे में आपको बताना है. फ्लावर्स एंड प्लांट्स इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर आवर लाइफ. Flowers and plants are what? Important for our life. They give us fresh air to breathe, correct? Flowers add beauty to the nature, of course. See, if you decorate your house for birthday party or for small baby shower celebration, or something small engagement, and if you use fresh flowers of different colors, wow, it looks so beautiful. So yes, it is true, flowers add beauty to the nature. Plant gives us fruits and medicines, yes. They also gives us valuable timber. They also gives us valuable timber. They form clouds which fall on earth in the form of water. Yes, they form clouds which fall on earth in the form of water. Hence, we must protect them. We should not pluck flowers. Yes, remember, we should not pluck flowers. Neither should we cut trees. Trees also should not be cut. We should plant more and more trees in order to protect our own existence. Means we should have a habit to plant more and more trees. We should not destroy it. Once again we will read, children. Flowers and plants are important for our life. They give us fresh air to breathe. Flowers add beauty to the nature. Plant gives us fruits and medicine. They also gives us valuable timber. They form clouds which fall on earth in the form of water. Hence we must protect them. What happens? Hence we must protect them. What we have to do? We have to protect them. We should not pluck flowers, neither should we cut trees. We should plant more and more trees in order to protect our own existence. Over here what it says, always remember. Here the points are given. How flowers and plants are important for us. They give us fresh air to breathe. Fresh air to breathe. Add beauty to the nature. It gives us fruits and medicines. They also give us valuable timber. Timber means wood, which you can make furniture, whatever, with the help of the wood, timber. They even form clouds which fall on earth in the form of water. Hence we must protect them. We must, what we have to do, we must always have a habit to protect them. We should not pluck flowers. Yes, we should remember, we should not pluck flowers. And we should not even cut trees. And we should plant more and more trees in order to protect our own existence. So dear children, I hope you have understood this exercise. You have to do this exercise of watering rhymes, new words and word meanings, and plus this speech in your English notebook with neat and clean handwriting. Thank you.